If you need me, let me know.
Okay, so in this episode of Gab Details, we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing. We have a Detailer's Domain mystery box in front of us, and I only removed the shipping label, but as you can see, it is fully sealed. I have not opened it yet. Detailer's Domain. So I follow Detailer's Domain on Instagram. I paid for a little bit faster shipping, so I placed the order on Wednesday, June 5th in the evening. I got the order confirmation at 7:34 p.m. and I ordered a mystery box, which was $34.99, and you are supposed to get about $50 worth of product. And I ordered a Nextzett glass sealant. So when I pull that out, that will not be part of the items that were included in the mystery box. So I paid for FedEx ground home delivery, which was $15.01, and I believe they said 2 to 3 days. So today is Saturday the 8th, and I actually had this package delivered at 11:25 a.m. So I have zero complaints with Detailer's Domain and FedEx, because that's pretty much fantastic. I mean, it came from New Jersey to Illinois, so not bad. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and open the box and find out together what kind of products we have. So I can already see that we have a wash mitt. So here is, first things first, a receipt, one mystery box, one Nextzett glass sealant, 200 milliliter size. That bottle was $30. So okay, so we'll put the receipt off to the side. And first and foremost, it looks like we have a wash mitt. I would assume that this is microfiber madness. Wash mitt. That's nice. Grab what's on the top here. This is our glass sealant. So this is not part of the mystery box. This was ordered separately. So I've been using MATCC's glass coating. I'm not sure how much I have left, so I figured I'd give this a try. So application and review videos on this coming soon. So what else do we have in our mystery box? We have Nextzett Glanz Shampoo. This is I'm not sure what size bottle this is. I would say this has got to be maybe 1 liter. Nextzett Glanz Shampoo. And looking for English here. Okay, so Nextzett Glanz Shampoo is a highly concentrated car wash shampoo which gently cleans away all road grime and dirt with a high sudsing solution that leaves behind a high gloss finish without affecting protective wax finishes. Glanz shampoo is phosphate free and biodegradable. So it says here, for application, I'll probably be making a separate video to use this. So the soap does look to be pretty viscous. It looks like it's a thick shampoo. So I'll open it up and see if there's any type of scent. No discernible scent at all. Not even a chemical or a soap smell. So we'll go ahead and check what else is in here. One more item, and we have Nanolex Wash Coat. So Nanolex Wash Coat is a very quick and effective way to protect and maintain exterior automobile surfaces. Nanolex Wash Coat is applied onto the car after washing when the car is still wet. It forms a chemical bond with the paint and previously applied protective layers and refreshes them. The gloss level of the paint and water beading properties are highly increased after a treatment with Nanolex Wash Coat. Your car will also stay cleaner for longer and be easier to wash with the increased protection. Nanolex Wash Coat can be applied using a foam lance or a pump sprayer. Only dilute Nanolex Wash Coat immediately before using it. Use 50 to 100 milliliters for an initial application and 20 to 50 for maintenance. Mix Nanolex Wash Coat ready to use with 500 to 1,000 milliliters of clean, fresh water. All right. So again, we have Nanolex Wash Coat. So I'm going to cut the video here, and I'm just going to go to their website and see the cost of these items, and we'll report how accurate our mystery box is, and then yep, just packaging and an empty box. Okay, so looking at the website, the Nextzett Auto Glanz shampoo, which is a 33.8 ounce unit or 1 liter, is a regular price of $15. Okay, so looking at the Nextzett Wash Coat, and it specifically says ceramic coating maintenance on their website, is, as you can see, $34.99. So that's already $49.99. So they say that you get $50 worth of stuff. And to just quickly find the wash mitt, so this is a Detailer's Domain microfiber wash mitt, also known as the Standard. The wash mitt comes in at $14.99. So if you do the math, we actually received almost $60, $65 worth of product. So for $34.99, even the added shipping only brings us to $50. So you still are ahead by $10. So that's not bad. So if you follow Detailer's Domain and you've been on the fence on whether or not you should buy one of their mystery boxes, I would say it's worth a shot. I will have upcoming videos that test and show how these products are used and my thoughts. So I will leave a link to Detailer's Domain in the description of the video. I will also leave some links for Amazon for other everyday wash items. The channel does earn a very small percentage if you use those links. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.